Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Shitennoji Temple. Shitennoji Temple is one of the oldest Buddhist temples in Osaka. It was built in 593 by Prince Shotoku, and it's known as the Japanese first state-supported temple. Shitennoji has a history of over 1,400 years and symbolizes Japanese culture and Buddhist spirit. It's named after the four heavenly kings who are protectors of Buddhism. Many visitors come here to find peace and enjoy the calm atmosphere. Inside the temple grounds, there are historic buildings like a five-story pagoda, the main hall, and the lecture hall. These buildings show the beauty of the ancient Japanese architecture, ancient Japanese architectures. Also, Shitennoji has been rebuilt many times after wars and natural disasters. It has always been fully restored to its original design. This lets visitors enjoy its historical atmosphere even today. Recently, Shitennoji has hosted seasonal events and special ceremonies in spring. Cherry blossoms bloom, and in autumn the leaves change color, making the ground beautiful. Every autumn during the Heigan-e and the Manto-e ceremonies, hundreds of the lanterns are lit, creating a magical scene. Shitennoji is in central Osaka, near popular spots like Tennoji Zoo and Abe no Harukashi. It's a great area to explore for a full day. Shitennoji is a special place where you can experience Japanese traditional and quiet beauty in Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.